Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A4 car battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to shield yourself from potential battery acid. Make sure your Audi A4 is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery location can vary. It's often found in the trunk, but some models place it under the hood. Identifying its exact spot is your first step. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Using a 10mm wrench, begin by loosening the nut on the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and ensure it cannot accidentally touch the battery terminal again. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten any clamps or straps that hold the battery securely in its tray. With the old battery disconnected, it's time for removal and installation. Car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with care. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals, removing any corrosion. Now, carefully lower your new Audi A4 battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach all hold-down clamps or straps to prevent any movement while driving. For the final steps, we'll connect the new battery. Always connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it's also secure. To prevent future corrosion, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Audi A4 to confirm everything is working correctly and check for any dashboard warning lights. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.